In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Fortran on your device, be it Linux or be it your Windows device. It is very easily done, and for Ubuntu, for instance, you just open the terminal and type sudo space. Sudo actually means I'm the supervisor, just like open the file as administrator. So that is the sudo. You get space and then type apt minus get. ATP minus get is actually a program written for installing and deinstalling programs. It is just like you go to add or remove and install, or you just click on something and type I want this program to be installed, and then you say I want to install and not to deinstall Fortran. You type it, click OK, because my device right now is not a Linux, is not Ubuntu. This terminal will not understand the command, but on Linux, after typing it, after a few moments, you would get a message that, for instance, the package was installed, and that was the end of it for Linux. Pretty easy. For Windows, previously it was hard, but right now you easily go to code blocks, and code blocks is an IDE for multiple languages. Very easily you go to downloads. The best option is binary release, and if you're learning Fortran, I suggest using Minji, and you make sure to download this one with Minji, because otherwise you have to find the Minji, and that would be a little bit hard. But in this case it is installed already. You click on it, it will be downloaded. I have downloaded it. It can take a few moments. Since I have downloaded already, I can find it. Downloads here, and code blocks. No, I do not want to download it because I have already. And motion lesson, yeah. Do you want to accept it to run? Next. Pretty easily. Next, I agree. I select all of them. Next, and make sure you just let it to be on the installation path that it is already showing install. It takes a while, so we come back after it is installed. It takes a while because full. So okay, it took for me about 2 minutes to install it completely, but by the way, my computer is a little bit old, and because of it took a little bit longer than normal. By the way, if you have a computer with RAM 60 gigabytes of RAM, it would take about 30 seconds. Yeah. Next, finish. And now we're going to change the options a little bit so we can use it optimized. Well, that's the IDE. You go to settings, compiler, and now you are going to select Fortran, Fortran compiler or G95. Both of them are very good. And then OK, and then we go to OK. Now again settings, this time editor, and what I want to do is going to go to active line and make the color blue for myself so I can see better what I'm doing. And then I'm going to go to workspace as an example if it is working fine or not. I'm going to file, open a new project, and then I want a Fortran application. Okay, next. I give it the name test1. As you can see, the project name itself is going to be changed to CBP, and you give here the address you would like to save your project. It is on my desktop, for instance. Next. Yes, it is already there, and then again you are going to say, and then what you are going to do is to also use Fortran compiler, finish, yeah, warning, the wizard about to overwrite, okay. Oh, something I forgot, again in setting editor, no, setting compiler, sorry. In compiler you are going to, in toolchain, yes, you are going to say auto detect, and because it is already installed in C, min G, you know it, but click auto detect and it is already there. Okay, so, and this is an example of the program. Is it working fine? You just compile it, and as you can see, hello world. So it's working fine. Have a nice day, have a nice night. Bye.